Well, as you know, China can be considered a shopping paradise. The country has large avenues, shopping centers, and endless markets, where you can find clothes, electronics, crafts, and other products. But you can still buy Chinese goods at cheap prices, even if you don't have to go there. And my suggestion is Pandabuy. So basically, Pandabuy is a Chinese agent that allows you to buy things on these websites and shipped out to you from China. Pandabuy receives orders from two main platforms, Taobao and 1688. The process of shipping is so simple and you can be completely assured, because the shipping process takes place very quickly and meticulously. I will put the link on the spreadsheet of my description, and when you click the link, it will be like that. Then, fill out your information. It's completely safe, just like this. You can sign up. And don't forget the invitation code that I put in the spreadsheet. Okay, now we sign up. This is the main page of Pandabuy. Great design. And this is the main toolbar. Make everything easier. You can also join Pandabuy's Discord where deals and well-reviewed products are compiled. There are 3 ways that you can buy on Pandabuy. The first is to find the products directly in the search bar. For example, I want to buy something for Christmas. You can also choose the product on the website you want. Secondly, you can also choose the product on the website you want. Choose your favorite product. Copy its link and paste it in the search bar. Choose the size, color, quantity, and leave the shop message if you need. You can change the Chinese currency into dollars. Buy now or add to the cart. The third way is to select and click the product link in Pandabuy spreadsheet. I have collected many good products in there and have detailed reviews in the unboxing video. Your job is simply to find and click. See the products you have purchased in your shopping cart. This is your account name and ID. This is your balance, and you can top up an amount you desire. This is where you track the orders you have placed. This is where orders will be tracked when they arrive at the warehouse in China. This is where order quality and packaging are checked. This is where the order is tracked as it is sent to your country. Now it's time to proceed with the payment. Just select product and submit. Tick outer packing method and packing detail that you want. Notice if it has extra fee. Choose a shipping service that suits your ability to pay. View tax point and enter the appropriate tax amount for your order, value, and country. Now submit and choose the appropriate payment method. You can also track your order status here and wait for it to be delivered to you. So the video ends. Hope you can order the right products. Wait for my unboxing video coming soon.